Welcome to Diana Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare a quick and easy Dollar Tree rice. Tonight, your kitchen transforms into the heart of Spain with Knorr's Spanish rice that bursts with flavor. Whether served as a hearty side or the base of a show-stopping main dish, this rice is anything but ordinary. It's fast, it's foolproof, and it delivers that slow-cooked taste in just minutes. Stir it, simmer it, savor it, and let the aroma fill your home with the spirit of a Spanish fiesta.
Leave it to cook for around 10 to 12 minutes. The package said 7 minutes, but 7 minutes does not work for me. So the rice is finished, looking very delicious. So now we are going to cook our shrimp. I just add a little oil to my pot. I just add my shrimp in. So I'm going to put a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. I'm going to use some seafood sauce. This is optional. I'm going to cook it for around 3 minutes before I add my roasted season. This is tomato and bell pepper. We're going to cook it now for around 2 more minutes. Now we're going to add our red beans. This is optional.